Hiding from you like she does every time you come here? She always hides from you, Ava. Belle, you're getting big.
Yeah. She did it herself.
She's coming for you.
Hi, Belle. Come in here and leave the cats alone so they'll quit hiding from you.
Apollo was perfectly fine with me holding him now.
I don't think he has a choice. You pick him up without asking.
Not like he can talk.
Yeah, he can. Claws,
Apollo.
face.
Apollo.
She's getting big. Bring Jasmine this way.
Can I get a quick place on?
Jasmine. Hey. She's not striking like a maniac today. Maybe she knows it's Christmas.
She's trying to be nice. Is that what you're
Can I have a
saying?
quick place on?
No.
Why not? Both of us
Cole
there.
forgot one, and he had a bigger soda than all of us.
He didn't even ask.
She's
so.
putting on some weight. She looks really
Yeah,
good.
that's
So
fair.
this is just for the people that saw the other two videos and how crazy she acts sometimes. She's normally not like that.
Yeah, she is. Don't lie.
No, she's not. She's real calm when I hold her. She's calm when Ben holds her. She just likes to show off. It's not that she's stressing out or being aggressive. She just likes attention. And the reason I showed those other two videos how hyper she was to show people that it doesn't mean they're being aggressive. It just means they're anxious, they're excited, they're curious. These are curious animals. That they're not happy laying around, sitting around 24 hours a day like people keep them. That's wrong. I'm sorry. She's looking you over, Carla. You don't
Isn't
need
she
to.
always?
She's got, what's she got in her hand? I'm coming to get it.
Oh, no, you aren't.
Yes, she is. Yes,
Oh,
I
no,
am.
you are not.
But see, the thing is, nobody's restraining her. She has freedom of choice. But she's very aware of her environment and everything going on around her. Very much so. No, she's not stressed out. Active snakes does not mean that your snakes are stressing out. I don't know why people can't get that through their heads, but you wouldn't believe the people that say that on YouTube videos and stuff. The snake's stressing out. It's moving all over the place. What do you expect them to do? Sit in the corner all the time? That doesn't work like that. Jasmine. Hey, crazy lady.
Well, I got her attention.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty. She's getting big. She looks great. No reason I did this video showing how calm she really is because I got some dislikes on the video showing how hyper she was. Well, she wasn't stressed out hyper. She was just curious and active. That doesn't mean a snake's stressed out. That's why I want to do one showing what she usually acts like. She's calm.
Ish.
But she's moving. And that's what snakes do. They move. They're curious.
What?
They're aware of everything going on around them in their environment. That doesn't mean they're stressing out. And it sure doesn't give you an excuse not to handle them and work with them. I've seen more people, they get all stressed out and move all over the place when I take them out. What made you think snakes were supposed to sit still all the time and lay around all the time? They weren't. They aren't like that out in the wild. Sure, they will to bask or to hide from predators, but normally they're up moving around everywhere. People are whacked. Your hair looks good down. I wish my hair was that thick.
Oh, it gives me headaches a lot, though.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
I ask you. Pulling it back would give me headaches.
That's why I don't wear it up that much anymore.
Yeah.
I wear it down a lot more lately.
See, she's quiet. She's calm. But I don't know why people think that an active snake is a stressed out snake. Stressed out snakes strike at you constantly and want to bite you all the time. Now, she's an exception to that rule. She does it for attention. She doesn't do it to hurt you because she doesn't even really break skin when she bites you. It's like nipping at you and stuff. See, it's just a headbutt. mouth strike, but she doesn't make contact. It's just for attention. That's all she's doing. Saying, hey, look, I'm here. Pay me attention. Notice I'm here. That's all they do. That's what rattlesnakes do. They rattle to let you know they're there. Don't bite his nose and make a fool out of me now. Lily! Ava, come back in here so Lily will quit trying to hide.
I'm in the bathroom.
Oh, okay. I thought you were back in the kitchen harassing the cats again.
No.
See, everything that moves, she's right on target with it. She didn't try to bite your arm. She just swung at it.
Eric wants to stay there until we get back tonight.
Okay.
And then he's gonna come.
Carla, you take her. See how she acts. She's calm.
I'm gonna get that.
You going to Ben's mom's for dinner tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's making it?
Ow.
That was to say, I'm happy with Ben, leave me alone.
Ow.
Up, you gotta go the finger.
Ow.
She doesn't even, she just barely tags you. It's like a nervous reaction or something.
Calm down.
She's going to pee on you again, probably.
Probably.
Now she's going after Ben because Carla's holding her. So that's what she does.
She doesn't want me. She wants Ben.
She likes Ben.
She's like, he doesn't say ow when I bite.
You going after his beard again? You going to go get Ben's beard again? Now she's going to come at you. No, now she's going to go.
Hey.
Carla held me. Carla held me. Now I'm mad at the world.
Hold on. You just gotta get your tail so you feel secure.
No more beard biting. That was hilarious.
She likes you better than me, apparently.
It's not you.
Yeah.
It's just her.
Hey.
She still reacts to him the same way she does to you.
She's like, do I eat it?
She's like, I want to take off and go where I want to go. That's what my problem is.
She's like, now I'm in adventure mode.
Yep.
Hey.
Did she get you again?
She keeps going after his sleeve. Just little nips.
Yeah, that's all she does most of the time.
What?
Just to let you know she's there.
I think Ava should pet her. Right? You want Ava to pet you?
I don't really know if she'd go after Ava. See, now she's wide open mouth. She doesn't even know what she's getting ready to strike at. She's got her mouth open.
What? What is it?
Ow.
What'd you run into?
The shelf next to the bathroom.
Oh.
Because I'm a klutz.
Pet her, Ava.
I heard you saying ow. That was pretty loud.
It didn't really hurt, though. It was just more of a...
She doesn't draw blood. She just barely tags you.
She draws blood on me, but that's because I'm thin-skinned.
Yeah.
Same here. I got stabbed with a knife the other day in the hand. Not by a person, by myself.
Pet her.
It really doesn't hurt, honest. It's just a normal reaction to freak out. Everybody does it.
I'm sensitive. Especially with that gnome staring at me.
See, she's calmed right back down. She does. She just goes through these spurts of energy and acts like a fool. But this is her normal demeanor is actually calm. When I have her out here at home, she's calm. So there's just so much to see, so much I could get into.
Yeah.
And these people won't let me get into anything.
Nope. You're beat. Yeah, I see you coming toward my face. I don't like it.
She did too. She came at me.
No bueno.
Lily!
Ava, don't bother with her. She'll never come out.
Well then, that's one way to make somebody shut up.
I turned the volume down. Because I didn't want it in the video.
Oh no, she whacked the chick in the head with a frying pan.
Oh, that'll work. She's calmer right now. Look at her. Look at Belle. Belle's getting big. I think she's about due to shed, though. What do you think?
I don't know. Sure.
Jasmine.
Are you not your slave?
Hi, Jasmine. What are you doing, pretty girl? See, she's
You
calming
call?
down a lot. She's eyeballing Belle. No fighting between you two. Belle's beautiful. Hi, pretty girl. She's just like a lump on a log, that one.
She's content.
Hi, Jasmine. Hi. She's mellowing out a lot. She's looking for
My
something
hand
to
here,
strike
was she
at.
trying to
Yeah,
strike?
she's looking for something to strike at. Put your hand over there, Ava.
Oh, heck no.
What's that?
Why not, Ava?
What's that, Jasmine?
She's got some
What's
strong
that?
teeth. And jaws. And body.
Yeah, she can break skin now.
Skeletal system.
What's that, Jasmine? Say, no, I don't want that thing. I'll bite your finger, though. I'm surprised she hasn't attacked your beard yet.
Yeah, she doesn't like your beard. Ben had a pompadour yesterday.
Did he?
It was funny.
Get the fuck off me.
Trying to get you a scoop.
Where's your head? Oh, there you are.
Calm down.
What?
Is she hypering out? What are you doing, Miss Belle? Nah, what are you doing, Miss Belle? Spunky snakes today.
Has
Look
Bella
at
ever
that.
bitten anybody?
Pearlescence. Her colors. She's getting big.
Where are you going?
See, I'm growing really well. Lily, never mind. You don't need Apollo in there with you right now. She's beautiful. Good. I send this video to her breeder. I keep the breeders up to date
Whoa,
on how they're
sorry.
doing. Look at you, you pretty girl.
I pooped her snoot.
I had to send this to John so you can see how big you're getting. Huh, let's send it to John. Lily, be quiet. I'll put you in that heater and cook it. Jasmine, you don't attack my camera. I don't want to drop it.
She's gonna.
Here. Show me I'm jiggling.
Sleep on us for
Oh yeah, so she can attack my fingers and make me drop your phone instead, right?
No, she won't. If she's coming at it. See, she's calmed down a lot now.
Yeah.
She's getting big.
Whoa.
Anything that moves, she wants. You know, she's got to have everything's attention.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
She's gonna
Why?
bite me.
I
gonna
don't. She's
strike.
not biting today so far. Yep, there it went.
You were
And
saying?
the thing is, she doesn't bury her teeth in you. She just nips at you. So she's not really trying to bite you. She's just headbutting you, basically, to get your attention.
Oh, she sees me.
So she's really not biting to hurt you. She's biting just for attention. Or she'd bury her teeth all the way, and she's not doing that. She just barely snacks you with them.
You're not getting me. Forget about it.
Oof.
Is it just the heat I'm feeling in the air from the heater? I don't think it's any kind of fumes or nothing.
No.
Just the
No.
heat in the air.
Yeah.
Here's Belle.
Hey.
Get him.
You going after his beard again?
Give him in the nose.
Going to get his beard
Right
again?
squat in the middle.
Oh, I moved.
Uh-oh. Ben. Did you guys have a Christmas
The
party at work?
snakes like your hat. They all do.
Yeah, but thing is, you don't know if there are any chemicals or anything like.
There was a Christmas party for his work, yeah,
Yeah.
a couple weekends ago.
Oh, was there?
That was where the picture of us came from
Oh,
on
okay.
Facebook.
Oof.
Yeah.
Every time I get up, she gets closer and closer.
Hey.
Excuse me.
No excuse for you.